Hare Krishna. I'll be reading the story of a seed which displays the value of integrity. Long ago, the kingdom of Vidyanagar was ruled by a noble king. The king was getting old but had no successor. So he decided to find out the future king from amongst the citizens. After consulting with his chief minister, he came up with a means that would help him identify the next king. The king was a great lover of plants, so he called each child from the kingdom and gave each of them a seed sown in a pot. He told them to take good care of the seed and bring it back to the palace a year later. The king would then check the progress of the seed. One small boy by name Ramu also received a pot with the seed. As he loved plants very much, he took great care of the seed. However, much to his surprise, the seed he received refused to grow. He replanted it and tried to change the soil as well, but it didn't grow. Ramu was disappointed, but his mother requested him to continue taking care of the seed. Months rolled by. At the end of a year, a long line of children were at the palace gates with huge colorful plants in their pots. However, Ramu had only a seed in the pot and not a fully grown plant. When the king inspected all the pots, he stopped at the empty one. He wanted to know what had happened. Ramu came forward and gave an account of his work and concluded that even though he took good care of the seed, it didn't grow. Hearing the words of Ramu, the king at once proclaimed him to be the king. Everybody was surprised. The king told the crowd, "I had sown roasted seeds in all the pots. And, as you know, seeds when roasted do not grow. Only this boy Ramu was honest and brave enough to come here with the empty pot. Others have sown some other seeds of their own and tried to cheat me with their colorful plants. Only an honest and brave citizen can be the king. So I appoint Ramu as the future king." Everyone congratulated Ramu on becoming the king. Honesty is the best policy. From this story, we can understand that honesty always pays. Thank you. Hare Krishna.